Both sides agree that Stephen Amazine was distraught the night this unfolded. He was losing his home to foreclosure. His wife was threatening divorce. So what started with him shooting a bullet into the floorboards, ended with him being shot by Durham police. Well, he's healed from those injuries in court today, and now he is charged with threats that he allegedly posed to others that night. Stephen Amazine listened as the prosecutor set the scene in opening statements, describing for the jury the night in December 2012 when police were called to his house in Lee.
The information available to Officer Lysak at that point is, we have a suicidal subject with a gun, and he has discharged the weapon twice.
The state says officers from several towns arrived over time as a distraught Amazine walked up and down a road, allegedly refusing to put his gun down as he made threats, including that he knew to, quote, shoot to the head. Durham police were last on scene, encountering Amazine away from other police.
Both Sergeant Dalton and Officer Lavoie at the time see Mr. Amazine start raising his hand. Now, he didn't get very far because they didn't let him. What they did at that point was discharge their weapons.
Amazine was shot and injured, now facing 16 felony charges, 8 each of criminal threatening and reckless conduct, but defense insists he was only threatening to kill himself.
We're not here whining about Steve Amazine getting shot. We're not here making comparisons to that stuff going on in other places. Just not. We're not here asking for a protest. Tattoo artists' lives matter.
Instead, his attorney is arguing that Amazine did not commit a crime because he didn't pose a risk to anyone. And defense claims that at least one officer filed a false report to justify shooting Amazine. Amazine faces from 10 to 30 years on each of the charges. Coming up at 6, we're going to hear from the first officer who arrived on scene. For now, we're live in Dover. Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.